Multiply a mixed number by a mixed number, we follow the same process as if we were multiplying a mixed number by a fraction. Okay, so we're going to follow the 4 steps. First, we'll write the equation. Then we'll convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then we'll multiply the improper fractions. And finally, we'll simplify our product or the answer to the multiplication problem. Let's start with the equation 1 2/3 times 2 1/2. The first thing we're going to do is rewrite our mixed numbers so we can convert them to improper fractions. So we have 1 2/3 and we have 2 1/2. So to convert our mixed number to an improper fraction, we take our denominator and multiply it by the whole number. So we'll have 3 times 1, that equals 3. Then we add the numerator. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 5 is the new numerator, and we keep 3 as the denominator. So now let's take 2 1/2 and convert that to an improper fraction. Again, denominator times the whole number. 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, I'll write that. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 5 is the new numerator, and we keep our denominator, so that's 2. The next thing we're going to do is multiply our improper fractions. So we'll have 5 thirds times 5 halves. And remember, when we multiply fractions, we multiply our numerator by our numerator, and then the denominator by the denominator. So 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 2 equals 6. Well, we have an improper fraction, so we need to simplify that. So we'll move to our 4th box to keep it nice and neat. We have 25 sixths. So I'm going to come over to here and I'm going to divide 25 by 6 to convert it to a mixed number. So I think 6 times what gives me something close to 25 without going over? Well, I know 6 times 4 is 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. Then we subtract. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Our remainder becomes our numerator, and our divisor becomes the denominator. So we have 4 wholes, right? 4 wholes, and then some left over, 1/6. So 1 2/3 times 2 1/2 equals 4 1/6. Okay, so again, make sure we write our equation. Then we convert our mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then we'll take those improper fractions and multiply them. And then finally, we simplify our product to get our final answer. Okay, remember we draw our 4 squares so that we can keep things neat and organized and follow each step. Hope that helps.